Alright, got some time in here on Maurice's vet. And, see this? While these were sitting put here while we were doing the suspension, of course the calipers started to leak. And look at that. Yeah. Look at the fluid squishing out. So these might have been rebuilt at some point, but they weren't rebuilt correctly. That explains why the brakes kind of sucked. So we need to address that. Also, all sway bar components are done and tied together now on our arms. Everything here on the front suspension is done, but we do need to discuss these calipers. Moving forward, I've got all your stuff ready to get this converted to electric, but of course no instructions came with the kit that was provided, and I haven't gotten any emails back either from the vendor where you got it from. There's one sheet of paper with a QR code, and of course it doesn't freaking work. So I'm working on getting to the bottom of that. Interior mess. Dug in, I found what we need to do down here. So I'm gonna spec all that out for you and we can get that situated. Get this thing maybe back to normal. And I'm still fighting the gas tank too. But, you know, it's gonna be Modernism Week starting today, all the way through next week, so pretty much on call for automotive uh-ohs for Modernism Week, but I'm gonna put as much time as I can in on this. Probably gonna put some time in this weekend. I do have to get mine done as well, but getting things going.